You don't need to spend big to get a solid Samsung experience anymore. 5G connectivity, decent cameras, and Samsung's polish are all reachable on a tight budget. Whatever your price point, I'm breaking down 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBee, we cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Galaxy A26 5G is the best overall budget pick, delivering a solid mix of 5G connectivity, a capable camera, and Samsung's One UI experience within a truly comfortable budget. The standout is the well-balanced spec sheet for the price, which handles everyday browsing, streaming, and social media smoothly, while including 5G speeds that some lower-tier competitors skip, a real advantage for anyone who wants a well-rounded phone without stretching their budget. The decent display makes everyday use comfortable to view, and the solid battery life covers a full day of typical use. Samsung's software support commitment extends the phone's usable life well beyond typical budget devices, and Samsung's broader ecosystem integration adds convenience for anyone with other Samsung gear. For anyone who wants the most well-rounded budget Samsung experience, the Galaxy A26 5G is the top pick on this entire list. The Galaxy A26 5G delivers a well-balanced budget Samsung experience with real 5G speed. And the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Well-rounded? Budget-friendly? The Galaxy A17 5G is the accessible entry pick, delivering dependable everyday performance and 5G connectivity at a more attainable price than the A26. Where the A26 pushes for a fuller feature set, the A17 focuses on real core essentials done well, a real advantage for anyone who wants a reliable Samsung phone without paying for extras they won't use. The standout is dependable everyday performance at a lower price point, which handles calls, text, browsing, and basic apps smoothly, all while staying comfortably under budget. The compact, comfortable design suits everyday handheld use, and the decent battery life covers typical daily needs. Samsung's software experience carries through even at this accessible tier, and Samsung's reputation for reliable budget devices backs it. For anyone who wants a truly dependable entry-level Samsung phone at the lowest price, the Galaxy A17 5G is the most budget-conscious pick on this entire list. The Galaxy A17 5G delivers dependable Samsung performance at Samsung's most accessible 5G price point, and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Real 5G, honest price. Worth noting up front that the Galaxy A56 5G AI typically sits above the strict $300 mark, so this is the stretch pick for anyone willing to push their budget slightly for real upper mid-tier features. The standout is the inclusion of Samsung's newer AI-powered software features and a noticeably stronger camera system than the lower A-series models, which delivers real day-to-day improvements in photo quality and smart software assistance. A real advantage for anyone who wants a taste of Samsung's flagship-adjacent features without buying a full flagship. The sharper display and smoother overall performance make everyday use feel truly more premium, and Samsung's longer software support commitment on this model extends its usable life further. The refined design feels more premium in hand than the base A-series phones. For anyone willing to stretch their budget slightly for real upper mid-tier capability, the Galaxy A56 5G AI is the reach pick on this entire list. The Galaxy A56 5G AI delivers real upper mid-tier features for anyone willing to stretch their budget slightly, and the price in the description reflects that step-up capability. Check the link below and grab it today. A worthwhile stretch if your budget allows. The Galaxy A36 5G is the middle ground pick, delivering a real step up from the A26 in camera and display quality while staying closer to budget-friendly pricing than the A56. The standout is the improved camera system and sharper display compared to the lower A-series tiers, which delivers noticeably better photo quality and a more comfortable viewing experience, a real advantage for anyone who wants meaningfully better performance than entry-level budget phones without jumping all the way to the A56's price. The solid battery life covers full days of typical use, and Samsung's software experience feels polished at this tier. The comfortable, well-built design suits everyday handheld use, and Samsung's reliable software support backs the phone's longevity. For anyone who wants a real middle ground option between basic and premium budget Samsung phones, the Galaxy A36 5G is the balanced pick on this entire list. The Galaxy A36 5G delivers a real step up in camera and display quality at a balanced price, and the price in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. The smart middle ground. Closing out the list with the Galaxy A07 4G AI, the rock bottom pick, delivering the most accessible Samsung phone in this lineup for anyone on the tightest possible budget. Worth noting, this model runs on 4G rather than 5G, a real trade-off for the lowest price point, a real consideration for anyone who specifically wants 5G speeds. The standout is basic AI-assisted software features included even at this entry price, which brings some of Samsung's smart software touches down to the most affordable tier. A real value advantage for budget-conscious buyers who still want a taste of Samsung's software ecosystem. The simple, reliable design handles everyday calls, texts, and basic apps smoothly, and the compact size suits easy everyday handling. Samsung's reputation for reliable entry-level devices backs it. For anyone with the tightest budget who doesn't need 5G, the Galaxy A07 4G AI is the most affordable pick on this entire list. The Galaxy A07 4G AI delivers the most accessible Samsung phone with basic AI features included, and the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Samsung, at the lowest price. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right budget Samsung phone, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing because these deals move fast. If this helped you find a solid Samsung phone without overspending, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.